Hey guys, just got a package in the mail, so let's check it out. This is the OneCarStereo AI Box HE Pro, a mouthful that can supercharge your car's stereo. Inside the box, you get some helpful instructions that explain all it can do. The unit itself, which feels really nice and features a built-in HDMI cable, SIM card and SD slot, and USB power. Also in the box, you get a USB-C to C cable, 2.0 to C cable, HDMI converter, and extra power cable in case your USB slot needs a boost, with instructions. Okay, let's get this set up. I'll be installing this inside the console of my Jeep. Just plug in the USB cable, attach the unit, and we're ready to start the Jeep. After a moment, the Android boot screen shows up and loads a base version of Android Auto. The first time you start it up, it'll restart to adapt to your screen size. After letting it fully boot up, let's test the lag and hop into Apple CarPlay mode. The touchscreen is super responsive, so let's connect the AI box via Bluetooth and set up CarPlay on my phone. Once connected, your standard CarPlay screen will load, and it's super fast. I'll show Spotify as an example too. Works great and super fast. Now let's hop back into the home screen by clicking on the car app so we can set up Wi-Fi to stream video. You'll find the Wi-Fi settings in the Settings app. Turn on Wi-Fi and then just connect to your phone's hotspot. Now that we're connected, let's test out YouTube. I'll head to my channel just to avoid copyrights. And let's pick one of the pups so it's not me.
Guys, just got a delivery from Dog Friendly Co.
And let's test that out in full screen too.
As we get this opened up, the first thing I noticed is the custom name badges. Next, I pulled out the bungee leashes. These should help with dialing Murphy's extra.
This box allows you to run any Android app, including Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, or anything else you want to. And to get back into CarPlay mode, we just find that app. And just like that, we're back in wireless CarPlay as if it came from the factory. That's it. Grab yours in the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.